I just realized how scary it is being a girl. My girlfriend and I were at the mall, and as soon as we walked into a store, another man walked in behind us. I didn't think much of him, but I quickly noticed my girlfriend get quiet. After a few minutes, I thought something was wrong, and as soon as I noticed how tense she was, I knew I was right. I asked if she was okay, but I never would have expected why. She said, "Someone is following us." I felt stupid for not noticing, but as soon as she pointed out the guy, I realized she was right. He was looking at her through the shelves. He kept his distance, but was always in the same aisle as us. I realized that if I wasn't there, she would be in danger, but I didn't even want to think about that. Unfortunately, we got separated, and as soon as I was gone, he stepped in. My girlfriend looked uncomfortable, so I quickly put my arm around her. He asked her to go on a date like I wasn't there, and I told him no. He told me to stay out of it, and I was honestly going to throw a punch. My girlfriend then asked how old he was, and after he said 27, she knew she had him. She showed him her phone was recording and told him she was 17. His eyes went wide, and he quickly walked away. I asked her how she knew to start recording, and she told me that wasn't the first time, but was pretty normal for guys like that to be creepy towards